Jesus Christ, that is a look. So there's something about this wig. She's been chilling in a box for the past like 4 years or so. She's like fully synthetic. She looks like a cosplay wig. Oh, and I mean, why not? Why not? I look great, but also. In the background, while I was trying to film some ASMR hair realness, there was the movie The Time Capsule being played over and over again, and the soundtrack is so loud. Editing me, please tell me. Oh, hello Alexa. If I can hear this, the music in the background. Ugh. I hear this song all the time because my father loves this movie, so it's just always on in the background. He then proceeds to listen to it on repeat over and over again. And it was particularly loud this Sunday because he was cooking and really feeling the vibe. And I can't be mad at that. But Lord, I've heard that song so many times, and at that point, I'd heard it 5 times that day. There. Dear God. Dear Lord, on this Easter Sunday, please. Just... Oh. I'm gonna go get a series of bobby pins. Oh. Okay, so we have a bobby pin up here, but we won't see those in photos. And that's truly what matters. I'm certainly serving something. It's a look. I like bangs though. And honestly, it just makes me want to hack this wig up more. Just fuck it up. Life's too short, trapped in quarantine. Let's have fun with the box full of fake hair that I have, because I have a whole box. And none of those wigs are good anymore. Some of them were good, fateful wigs until until they weren't. And others, like this one, came out the box looking like crimped Barbie doll hair. So what do you do with Barbie hair? You cut it off her scalp. Bye, y'all.